The Touchline Northeast, which is affiliated to the Meghalaya Basketball Association and is powered by Shillong Labet Basketball Club, will be conducting the 6th edition of the Northeast 3x3 Challenge 2022 in collaboration with the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. It may be informed that the tournament has been approved by the Basketball Federation of India. The Northeast 3x3 is also using this event as a platform and a tool to educate the youth about HIV and AIDS by creating a behavioral change through sports. With collaborative efforts with the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Touchline Northeast has been sensitizing players and officials prior to the event and will be conducting awareness programs during the 2 days of the tournament. Speaking to media persons, the Secretary of the Meghalaya Basketball Association, Donald Stephen Walang, informed that the tournament is the first official FIBA or FIBA 3x3 endorsed basketball tournament in the Northeast, where the association would be hosting over 50 men and women 3x3 teams from across the state of Meghalaya, along with invited teams from neighbouring states like Nagaland, Assam, Manipur and Mizoram. However, Nagaland will be the only state that would be fielding 2 women's teams for the tournament.
Kanika 3x3 Challenge, Northeast 3x3 Challenge. Kanika sports, kanika format ka juga basketball, kani kemudian kala approve daka FIBA, daka BFI, Basketball Federation of India, buat ka juga por kalau ka Olympic sports, mentakin kasian ke bandengkong bagi introduce kanika format aka Tokyo Olympics ke Shillong hapo Japan. Di hakabe di bakani kanika 6th edition baka Touchline kala host ya kanika format la Andrews nem. Di nakaliang ke MBA ng CI ka support haka liang jongki technical aspects di rementa kasian nila ni syamba kanik tournament ni hab ban recognize fully daka MBA di kumba pilai te ka Touchline ke ka partner jong ka MBA di ni ada support ke ba pura ba ka juga poro ila yo daka approval naka BFI ba kanikan long ka BFI approve challenge.
The head Touchline Northeast, Andrew Suthing, informed that 3x3 is a new format of basketball which has been included in the Tokyo Olympics. He also said that along with the Meghalaya Basketball Association, members of Touchline Northeast feel that this format has tremendous potential for players to reach the next level, as witnessed through the success of Larry Sangma, who is a regular participant of the Northeast 3x3 Challenge and who recently had a first professional stint in the 3x3 basketball league while playing for the Jaipur Regals. Further, he informed that together with the Basketball Federation of India, starting the Indian National 3x3 Basketball League, which launches tomorrow, will provide a platform for players to collect ranking points in the FIBA 3x3 platform.
This is the formal announcement regarding our event, which is going to be held on the 19th and 20th of March, which is this Saturday and Sunday. So this is the first ever FIBA 3x3 endorsed event in the Northeast. We have technically coincided our launch with the Indian National 3x3 Basketball League's launch, which is going to be happening at the same time in Bangalore. So that is a 22-city league which is being run by the Basketball Federation of India. Ours is a standalone event, but with 3x3 taking precedence in terms of basketball scenario right now, we look at this as a big opportunity for our players from the state to get ranking points. So with this tournament, all players have a FIBA 3x3 profile, and with every FIBA approved tournament that they play, players accumulate points. So this would be their first step into professional or semi-professional basketball. So these points will accumulate, and when they go and play the INBL in Guwahati, which is going to happen in the month of May, they'll be gathering more points. So the system now is that with FIBA is that the top 4 players in terms of ranking points get to represent the country at international competitions. It's not a matter of selection. It's actually the rankings point that counts. And this is where with the NBA we are looking forward to actually having more 3x3 tournaments in the state, where we can give our players the opportunity to gather those points so that they at least are competitive with the rest of the country.
Kasian ka baningkong ha ka ba nakastip jami ngila yo man represent ha kalik ka ba he tamhne po India ka balong ka 3BL league te ngas ngok men shibun bangan yo ya kani ka opportunity bangan represent ya ka whole state ha kani ka Lampung but ngayo ruiki ngayo ke experience ka ba bhatam but ngakerman ba ha kani ka 3x3 ka banong ha ka khanai but up ho tarik ngan yo ban share me ka knowledge ka bang ayo shathe but ki para players barot but ngakerman lu bangin ngin ya letting bangin ya poi like khambon ki players bangin le ka ha ka te